Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about convenience and efficiency in your cleaning routine. We discovered the Bissell 3061 Featherweight Cordless Stick Vacuum, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bissell 3061 Featherweight? This is a lightweight, cordless stick vacuum designed for quick and effortless cleaning. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it lives up to its name. It's as light as a feather. This vacuum offers up to 20 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for those quick daily pickups around the house without the hassle of being tethered to a power outlet. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this vacuum. One of its most impressive aspects is its versatility. It easily converts from a stick vacuum to a high-reach vacuum or even a handheld vacuum, making it 3 vacuums in one. Whether you need to clean your floors, reach high corners, or tackle upholstery, this vacuum has you covered. It also comes with a crevice tool and an upholstery brush, which are incredibly handy for cleaning furniture, stairs, and those tight spaces that often get neglected. Storage is another area where the Bissell Featherweight shines. Its compact design allows for easy storage in closets or pantries. The handle can fold forward and backward, enabling you to reach under furniture and clean those hidden areas that can collect dust and debris over time. This thoughtful design makes it a great option for people living in apartments or smaller homes where space can be a concern. When it comes to performance, the Bissell Featherweight excels on hard floors. Its powerful suction combined with an agile design allows it to pick up fine dust and debris with ease, whether you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. If you're someone who frequently finds themselves sweeping up after kids, pets, or just everyday life, this vacuum can be a real game changer. So, who is this vacuum suitable for? Essentially, it's perfect for anyone who values convenience and efficiency in their cleaning routine. If you lead a busy lifestyle and need a reliable vacuum for quick cleanups, the Bissell Featherweight is an excellent choice. Additionally, it's great for pet owners, as it can easily tackle pet hair and dander without much hassle. Plus, the bagless design means you won't have to worry about replacing vacuum bags constantly. In terms of practical use cases, you might find yourself reaching for this vacuum after a meal to quickly clean up crumbs, or perhaps after a pet play session to pick up fur. It's also a great tool for quick touch-ups before guests arrive, or simply to maintain a clean living space without the effort of hauling around a bulkier vacuum. Maintenance is a breeze with the Bissell Featherweight. The easy empty dirt bin makes disposing of collected dirt and debris simple and mess-free, and the washable filter means you can keep it running efficiently without the need for constant replacements. Finally, it's worth mentioning that with every purchase, Bissell contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. So, you can feel good about your purchase knowing you're contributing to a worthy cause. In conclusion, the Bissell 3061 Featherweight Cordless Stick Vacuum is a fantastic cleaning tool that combines lightweight design, versatility, and powerful performance. Whether you're tackling hard floors, furniture, or tight spaces, it makes cleaning a hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.